Let's bring this court into session, and I will ask the prosecutor.
I will ask the prosecutor to read the indictment.
We, the people, indict the Fiscal Cliff and its creators and its manipulators for crimes against the well-being of our community and our nation. At all times relevant to this indictment, the perpetrators have falsely characterized the conjunction of the sequester legislation and the expiration of the Bush tax cuts and other legislation as the fiscal cliff, creating an excessive sense of urgency and encouraging the acceptance of a reckless grand bargain. Point 2. The perpetrators have created an unnecessary fear of the federal deficit and promoted the false cure of increased austerity policies at the expense of employment and economic growth and health. Point 3. The perpetrators have fabricated this artificial crisis in order to undermine essential government programs and activities, including Medicare, Social Security, the social safety net, and investments in education, job creation programs, and public sector employment. Point 4. The perpetrators, and specifically Pentagon contractors, have exaggerated the impact of proposed military spending cuts and used fears of unemployment as a pretext for maintaining the wasteful, counterproductive, and economically unhealthy bloated military budget, which has nearly doubled in the past 10 years. Point 5. And lastly, the perpetrators have used public fears of the fiscal cliff to continue unbalanced and unjust tax rates and loopholes for the benefit of the 1% and the largest U.S. corporations, fostering increased abuses of power and irresponsible behavior, undermining American society and institutions. All in violation of their sworn obligation of faithfully discharge the duties of their offices and duties as citizens of the United States.